Hi friends, so today we are going to make these super cute and super cheap string Easter eggs. Okay, so this is what we're going to need. You can use Mod Podge, you can use, what else is there? There's like a starch recipe. We are just using like old-fashioned paper mache paste. It's just a cup of water and a cup of flour, and then you just add a little bit, I added just a little bit, probably a little bit more water, just for it to be the consistency of like Elmer's glue, or you could, of course, use Elmer's glue. So we got this. Now, I've seen these in white and pink and different colors. I actually just thought that this was kind of cool because it was different colors, and to save from buying a whole bunch of different colored string and yarn, this was only $1.77 at Walmart, and so I just thought they would be kind of cool because they'll all look a little bit different. And then you're just going to need some water balloons, or these are neon water bombs. Yeah, and you're also going to need one helper. Okay, so we're going to start by blowing up our water balloons. If we can open the package. Alright, here's your balloon. Alright. I don't know how many we're going to make, but... Man, you may have to stretch them out a little bit first. Oh man.
I can't.
Oh, you got it. You got it. Okay, so we have a whole bunch of water balloons filled up now. Just like playing with his. Okay, so now we are going to take our string. Oh, we also need, we get the scissors over here. Okay, so we're going to take these and move all of our little other water balloons back over there. We didn't use all of them.
Float up, except these ones are too small and they are neon.
Okay. Okay, so now we're going to take some string off, and we're just going to take out, I don't know, however much you want. And the good thing is if you don't get enough, you can always just keep adding more. So you don't have to worry about getting like all your string at once. We're just going to take a little bit and cut it off. And okay, so now we're just going to put our string in our glue. I always kind of keep the end so I know where it is. Yeah. We're just going to put our string in our glue, and then just kind of get it all wet and yucky. Yeah. Okay. So then what I like to do is just kind of run it through my fingers just to wipe off some of the extra glue. And then you're going to take your balloon here, and you're just going to start anywhere, and then you're just going to start wrapping it around the balloon. The camera was off-center just a little bit here, but basically you're just going to take your string and keep wrapping it around. And I got a couple knots, and that's okay. Just cut them out and just start anywhere and just keep going. You can make it as thick or as spread out as you want. Okay, once you have them, you just let them dry. I should have showed you a picture of where we popped them, but Blake was in a hurry. But anyway, once they're completely dry, just take a little thumbtack and pop them, and there you go. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching.